Yeah, we gotta do something.
Yeah, I know, man. You go to Beverly Hills, get a $250 house. Word. I know my man live out there, man. Yeah, that's what my man live out there. I mean, that's a full price and all, but you about $250 short.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, before we get into this vid, let me get 500 likes on this joint.
No, that's out, man.
This video is about late to the hype, well, fashionably late to the hype. But it's about a sneak that I've been wanting to get for a minute. But before we do that, after y'all hit the 500 likes, I just want to take the time out to toast to y'all, because I really appreciate y'all. Now I just want to drink. But yeah, yo, shout out to the Wave Mob. And any new members of the Wave Mob, past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. I already had a little sip before I started. All right, so a little backstory about these joints. I actually ordered these sneaks. I wanted to get them when they released again. Well, they restocked. I didn't get them. I don't know what happened. Either I was not here. Oh yeah, I think might have been traveling or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, I did try to get the restock, did not get them. When they first dropped, didn't like them, just like a lot of people. But I started seeing them, I was like, damn, you can rock these with a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? And I started seeing the D-boys, they was with them too. You know, if I gotta keep up, you know what I'm saying, to get the looks from the girls.
Sweating in that laundry for nickels and dimes is not gonna get you that ass.
I gotta be, but yeah, so I did want these joints. Then I had came up with this plan before they restocked. I said, you know what?
My Uncle Gus owns a gas station and we can go there and work there.
I had got this credit card, and if you spent $500, this is back when they was around like the 480. If you spend like $500, you get a $200 credit. But then when the damn when the restock came, these joints, like, the value dropped, so I couldn't use it on that. But anyway, let's open them up. Yeah, like I said, I've been wanting these joints for a minute. Yes. See, you know, I don't know nothing about these joints. I didn't even know they was the 700, but yeah, they might be. Okay, yeah. Yeah, these it. I hope so. Yeah, they are, my bad. Yo, cause I don't know shit about these joints. Like, dead ass, I ain't even go, I'm surprised. You know, I like 700, ain't that the, but all right, let's see, let's check them out together. Oh yeah, so no, hold up. So I bid on these joints, I won, and it took like a minute for these joints to ship out. Remember I said I won back in August the 28th. Took a minute to ship out, so I'm like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm hitting them up, but Stockx, they being cool. They were like, yeah, let's rock them to sleep a bit. But yeah, so they said, oh, if the person doesn't ship, something, they'll find another pair. But, so what happened then when I emailed again, they're like, yeah, it didn't meet like our standards, like the dude ships some fakes. But the joint was always saying like, they waiting on sellers to ship. So which one is it?
What's it gonna be? 'Cause I can't get it.
Yeah, I got my joints. Yes, sir. Got them. Hell yeah. This is my first pair of Yeezys that I'm ever gonna that I'm ever putting on and ever gonna rock. Oh, and I got the Stockx sticker, so that means these are real.
You got to be a stupid mother.
Okay, now this really means it's real too. Nah, but yeah, so hell yeah. I'm not doing no review, we just going straight to on foot, but I do got a couple questions for y'all. Oh, I thought don't these joints come with other laces or something?
Hell no.
Cause I thought these came with like some blue, like some other laces. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah. So let y'all check them out right quick. Boom. Y'all seen them. No point for no review. Bam. But yeah, like I said, I've just always wanted a pair. I wish that I could have got these in the summertime, just because I wanted to like rock them with some shorts, and I saw that what's that, Vandal A, yeah, they had like a sale going on, but I didn't have the sneaks, so I was like, well, ain't no point, you know what I'm saying? No point to get the fit if I ain't had the sneaks. I didn't know I thought I was gonna get them. But next summer. But no, I'm gonna definitely rock these like a couple times before that, but I really want to pull these out in the summertime. This is gonna be like a go-to sneak for me that I'm just gonna like throw on like on some chill shit. I am kind of hyped that I got them. I paid like $380 plus the tax. I don't know, the shit came to $4 something, but I have until December of 2020 to pay for these. So slow roller, you know what I'm saying? Word. Anyway, all right, so look, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the on foot. Let me just show you how the joints that I'm gonna throw on feet with them, or let me show you the jeans that I'm gonna throw on top of these, and we be right to the dancing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw these joints on because I always vision rocking these some code of individuality joints. I always vision rocking these with these, but the reason I'm gonna throw these on is because it's gonna give me an idea about these. See, these are new pair. Like when I really rock them, I'm throwing on the new skis, you know what I'm saying? It's just I ain't on the Valairs yet, so you know what can I do? But yeah, I'm gonna throw these on with these, but for the meanwhile, we're gonna stick to these. Both code of individuality. Bam, throw it over there. All right, next up, we'll keep it simple. I'm gonna throw on some black joints. These are some Guess modern skinny. Got the little knees blown out right there. No, they don't. No, they don't. Okay. My bad. I thought they did. Oh, that's the minimal. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna throw the black ones on, bam. Next up, we're gonna throw some True Religions on.
Get that the fuck out of here!
I didn't mean to disrespect these joints, but the True Religions are gonna take the place of the PRPS joints. I just don't have them, you know what I'm saying? I gotta take these to Valairs, you know what I'm saying? Let them do its thing. So we're gonna have to throw the Trues on to take place. A matter of fact, I'm giving away a pair of Trues. These right here, yeah, these are like my first pair of Trues ever. Bam. I'm just gonna make these community property, put them outside, have at them.
You ain't supporting shit. You got a pocket full of money.
So that's that. And last but not least, I'm gonna throw the olive joints on with these, you know what I'm saying, to see how that goes. So that's how I'm gonna rock them, man. Like I said, hey.
These for jackass.
Let me know if these are like comfortable like everybody says. If it wasn't for these, I was like looking at like, what was it, like the Salt, or it was another joint. I don't know. They kind of look like the Yankee colorway, but I really, well, not Yankee colorway, but you could really bang them with some Yankee joint. I'll put them up there. But nah, man, I really did want these, man. Yeah. Fuck it. But anyway, yo, let me get 500 likes on this joint. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. You already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter B. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Stay tuned for the best on foot on YouTube. You already know. See you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga. You been talking that Versace shit before Versace was dead, my nigga.
Won't believe it. You wanna be seeing with your own eyes.
Rick, and that is on the beat.
Won't believe it. They should just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. I could save it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. If I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. You making nonsense, so it's nonsense. On a rocket, check my eyelids. Ain't no fault I do this on me, this is God sent. All deposits, don't do posits. We away small, girl you crazy. You the chaser, I'm the chasey. Got a question, how you take me? She said I don't dice, I just take thee. That's a mouthful, you said a mouthful. Now her head back, she got a mouthful. At the party, we got the house full. How y'all on me? I just was doubtful. I can't complain, my life right now is good to me. He tryna be like that's something good to be. Shorty want a name, that's how it looks to me. I blew his fucking brains out like you won't believe. Won't believe it. They should just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. I could save it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. If I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. Now try and keep up with me now. Crackers let me free, so the world got to feel me now. The world got to hear me now. Do this shit in gear and everything looking shifty now. Before I had a pretty house, used to stay with me, my mama used to kick me out. In a purse, I used to steal the 50s out. Now I fill a purse up with nothing less than 50 down. Bang on you niggas, nothing changed, but the way I'm about to change on you niggas. It's time to rearrange on you niggas. Hit the finals, then it's time to win a ring on you niggas. She touched the Chanel and she touched me. Shorty broke a nail when she sucked me. Ask me how I feel, yeah that's lovely. But you made a meal, man, that's nothing. Won't believe it. Ay, dice you just came back like, man, you won't believe it. Ay, I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. Ay, I could say bit fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. Ay, if I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Ay, shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. Ay, I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it.
You ain't top 5 dead or alive. Man, I wish that nigga was here. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like, fuck Cali. That nigga let you know every verse.